Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $508.68 and $1,107.79 by 2030. Market investigators accept BCH could reach $508.68 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2022 is $90.43. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was motivated by misery with where Bitcoin was taken, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The production of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a furious question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and economically. Close to this time, a purported nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however, has encountered strife from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, fans of digital currencies habitually put resources into it. The coin's cost has the normal market unpredictability. Yet many individuals accept its future will be more splendid and will offer more prominent benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money? In spite of the fact that it isn't the most seasoned, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital money split into Bitcoin Money ABC and Bitcoin Money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and cryptographic forms of money overall advancing. But BCH's forking was basically inspired by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are ordinarily somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the thought that Satoshi Nakamoto, who developed Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized cash that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it workable for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mechanism for ordinary exchanges and allow it an opportunity to rival enormous MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge excessive expenses to deal with worldwide exchanges. Bitcoin money specialized investigation. Cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, confirming a downtrend. Close the $100 support, it is oversold, proposing a potential passage point for a swing exchange. There is a declining propensity on all time scales, including short, medium, and long haul. MACD line is over the MACD signal line. Yet RSI is under 45, subsequently forces blended. The MACD histogram bars are waning, which could demonstrate a deficiency of energy. Overall volume is level, implying that it varies similarly on out-of-control days. Thus, the harmony among purchaser and merchant interest and supply is accomplished. Backing and opposition. $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150 is the nearest obstruction zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin money current cost. Bitcoin money is as of now worth $113.04 USD. BCH has moved 2.82% as of now with an exchanging volume of $221,139,417. Bitcoin money is as of now positioned 26 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,191,723,831 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $169.56. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $158.26 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $135.65. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. In 2023, Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $282.60. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the BCH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $226.08 and a typical exchanging cost of $248.69. Bitcoin money value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $395.64 and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $361.73 and a low of $339.12 in 2024. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Bitcoin money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2025. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $508.68, with a base cost of $452.16 and a typical cost of $474.77. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $587.81 by 2026, with a base cost of $565.20 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a greatest value worth of $621.72. Bitcoin money value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $700.85. On the off chance that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $734.76. Neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $678.24. Bitcoin money value forecast 2028. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $791.28 and a yearly cost close above $847.80 in 2028. Bitcoin money value forecast 2029. By 2029, Bitcoin money will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $904.32 and possibly a